Hey there, it's Amishra. Thanks a lot for visiting our JB Sign Up page. Now let me just get to the chase and tell you what exactly this JB Sign Up page is all about and why we have actually created this page. The product's name is the Ultimate Fortune Cash, and we're going to go live on 14th of October, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So mark your calendar for that time and date. Okay, now this is basically a compilation of 14 interviews by top marketers across the world. People like Russell Brunson, Ken MacArthur, Cynthia Battier, and many of the people who are actually making 6 figures or even 7 figures online are in the line. Okay, so the product is great. The price point is extremely low. We are offering some cool bonuses. We got Ian Del Carmen to actually offer his set of uncensored interviews, which he would never sell, because he actually gives these interviews to his coaching client who pay him $497 for a 60-minute consultation. So that's a very high quality series of interview, and your customers are actually going to get that. Alright, now that's one bonus. Second bonus is by Corey Friedman. He's contributing one of his best-selling WSOs for free. So as you can see, we already have 2 great bonuses. There are a couple of other bonuses we have at the download page. They're going to be unannounced bonuses. They're going to be something that's really going to blow just about anyone's mind. Doesn't matter if they're a veteran marketer or starters or newbies, because we're going to take care of that very well. Okay, we have a cash prize contest as well. The first and it's going to last for 7 days. So it starts on 14th of October, 4 p.m. EST, and it ends, and it runs through the next 7 days. Okay, so the first prize is $200, second prize is $100, the third prize is $50. Okay, now that's the contest, right? That's the main contest. There are some mini contests as well. The first mini contest is about I would say fastest fingers first. And so it means that if you manage to get first 25 sales, then we're going to award you with $50 straight from our pocket. Okay, and the second mini contest is about conversions. So if you manage to hold your conversions higher, if you are the affiliate who has the top conversions in 72-hour time period with minimum of 15 sales, then you're going to get $50 from our pocket. Now there is a limit in the sales, because let's say you send 5 people and you made 2 sales, and obviously your conversions are going to be high, and other people who actually made like 20 sales or 25 sales, which little less conversions, they really worked hard, they got more sales, but they're going to lose it, right? That's the reason why we have this limit of 15 sales only for this mini contest, which is totally dependent on the conversions. You'll have all of the details just below this video and on this page. Sign up as a JV partner, and you're going to get 75% commission at the front end, 50% commission at the back end. And after you sign up, you're going to get the commission upper code, which you have to use while applying for the affiliate ship, right? And yes, if you are among the first few JV partners, you're also going to get a review copy of this WSO. So friends, 14th of October, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, let's make this happen. We're really looking forward to make you a lot of money. Thank you very much once again for landing this page. Hoping to see you on the other side just in maybe a few seconds, because I really want you to take action now. Sign up, and you will see the thank you page where you have all other details and the sign up link. Alright? Thank you once again. Amishra signing off for now.